to Troy. Yeah, he thinks things on the outside are going to fix the inside. It's not going so well. But baby steps, you know.
I love Stan. Not everybody does, but who do I relate to the most? They're all entirely lovable apart from me.
Logan. Well, because he's the most chill, and I wouldn't want to be any more high-strung than where he sits.
I don't even have to think about this. I relate to Amy the most because emotionally I've got a Libra moon, so I can be a little bit up and down. So definitely Amy, and I definitely sometimes feel like the black sheep of the family, but I think that's I'm starting to figure everything out.
I probably relate to, oh gosh, Alison Grie's character. Maybe because she's like into spirituality and I'm into that stuff.